Vinyl. Cozy comfortable. Embossed soft breathable cover to allow airflow and give your little one a cozy and comfortable nap. The Periwinkle finish adds a touch of fairy tale land to your little one's nursery. Easy maintenance. Cleaning Dream on Me Snuggles Mini Crib Mattress is easy. Clean with a warm water and a mild soap to maintain freshness. Lightweight firm. Weighing at around 2.5 pounds, the Snuggles Breathable mattress is lightweight with a square corner design for a snug fit. Extra firm fiber offers perfect sleep environment and support. Safety guaranteed. Snuggles Mattress is Greenguard Gold Certified for highest level of safety health. Passes all Federal Standard Flammability Standard, 16 CFR 1633 tests. Prod specs. The Dream on Me Snuggles Potable Crib Mattress is proudly engineered made in USA with quality workmanship. Ideal for most portable mini cribs and is not meant for playards with dimension, 38L×24W×3H inches. Mattress weight is 2.5 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Good option. This is a good option and works well for the portable crib, back sleeping of course. The thickness is as stated and it is a firm mattress. It fits well, but that's only because it measures correct for that crib, so make sure to double-check the measurements before buying. They are not always the same, even when the manufacturers claim a standard size. Good luck in your search.